I have been loving the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for literally months now. It is the best moisturizer that I have tried. It's nice and thick, which I love, but it doesn't leave like a greasy residue on the skin. This is what it looks like. I honestly use such a large amount because it is so thick and creamy, but it doesn't make your skin feel greasy or gross. Like, it dries in really nicely. This is something that does not bother my skin. I have pretty sensitive skin, and this has never like broken me out or caused me any irritation or anything like that. I actually just love this moisturizer. This is my second tub, but it literally lasts forever. The first one I got, I think, was in February. It is August, and I just got a new one this month. So it is definitely a super long-lasting product. A little goes a long way, and the best part is that you can use it all over. So if you were going on like a trip or something, you could just bring this one moisturizer and you could use it on your face, your whole body. It's amazing. You can't beat it, in my opinion. It lasts so long. There's so much product in here. It's creamy, it's moisturizing. I love this product. It is definitely my top skincare product. And I have found that the simpler I've kept my skincare, the better. So I literally just use this, like one other product, and I wash my face, and the results have been amazing. So highly recommend this moisturizer for your face as well as the rest of your body. Thanks.